Okay, so hey everyone, this is Chris. Come back with another new video. Now in this video I am going to show you how we can unlock a bootloader of any Xiaomi phone without PC here. So if you want to unlock bootloader with any Android phone, or if you do not have any PC, then how we can unlock bootloader? So you can notice here I have already unlocked bootloader with the help of another Android phone. If you want to unlock bootloader of your Xiaomi phone, then you require one another Android phone or one another Android tab here. So before starting this video, if you haven't subscribed this channel, then subscribe it and like this video. After that, let's move to tutorial process here. So you can notice here I having as a host phone Pixel 7 here, and I have targeted phone as a Xiaomi Pad 6 here. By this process, you can easily unlock a bootloader of any Xiaomi phone, Poco phone, Redmi phone and Mi series phone. So I am going to unlock bootloader of my Xiaomi Pad 6 here as a host phone. I having Pixel 7. You have to download two applications in your host phone. Its name is first one is Termux and second one is Termux API, and you can read some instruction here, like you required one other phone here, one data cable or OTG adapter here, and some internet connection here. If you fulfill all these requirements, then you can proceed this video. Download this boot application in your host phone. After that, you have to install this application here. First install here Termux application. This type of unsafe or block error appear, then you have to show more and you can install this application here. And after that, you have to install here Termux API. But you can't able to install like this type of Termux API. You have to disable some feature here or permission here. So you have to open here Play Store and tap on the profile icon and select here Play Protection, tap on settings, and you have to disable this both option here. And after that, you can easily install this Termux API in your host phone. So install this Termux API. And after that, open Termux application in your host phone here, and make sure your phone connected with internet. You can use your internet or Wi-Fi here. And first command you have to put here pkg install here, and make sure your device connected with internet here, and it will take around some time, so you have to wait here. And here second command is pkg update here, so you have to put here pkg space and after that update. Pkg update you have to put in second command here after completing of first command. If it asks for y or n, then you have to put here y and hit enter here. And third command you have to put here pkg upgrade here, so you have to put here pkg upgrade and hit enter here. And it will take around 20 to 30 seconds to complete this process here. So it will ask for some permission, then you have to put here y and hit enter here. Okay, you have to put another command. It's for storage permission here. I will provide all command list on my Telegram. You can easily copy and paste here. So you have to put here this command Termux storage setup and hit enter. After that, it will ask for storage permission, then you have to grant permission here or allow permission here. And after that, you have to put another command. I will provide all command on my Telegram. You can easily copy and paste here. So paste this last command on Termux application. After that, you will get this type of option here, use command me unlock. So simply you have to put here me space unlock. After that, this type of page appear here. So simply you have to log in your same Xiaomi account who's login in your targeted phone here. So login with your country code here, like I am from India, then I enter here +91, and after that you can enter your phone number. After that, it will ask for password here. So enter your password here. After that, this type of interface appear here. Please enter enter button. So simply you have to enter your enter button. After that, you will redirect to any browser here, like I redirect to Chrome browser here. So here you have to log in your same Xiaomi account with your country code and passcode here, and maybe it will ask for OTP or verification like this type of. After verify your account, you have to copy this link and paste in Termux application here. So paste this link here in Termux and hit enter. After that, this type of interface appear here, so you can notice your region here, your Xiaomi account ID here. So after that, you have to move on your targeted phone here. So I having targeted phone Xiaomi Pad 6 here. If you having any another targeted phone like any Xiaomi phone or Xiaomi Tab Poco phone or Poco Tab Redmi Tab or Redmi phone here. So if you having any Xiaomi phone, then you have to move on it here. First unlock your phone and tap on settings here. So you can notice here this device currently running on Hyper operating system 2.2 which Android version 14 here. So first you have to enable here developer option by tapping 7 times on OS version here. After that, open developer option in your phone or tab here. Then you have to first enable here OEM unlocking toggle. After that, tap on Me unlock status. If you are having any Xiaomi tab, then you can connect with Wi-Fi. If you are having any Xiaomi phone here or any other phone, so simply you have to connect with your internet with the help of SIM here, and you have to install your Xiaomi community application and login here. Tap on Me section and you can notice here this type of option here. So simply scroll down and tap on unlock bootloader. Then you have to apply for unlocking. It will take 5 to 7 days. You have to try on 12 AM according to China time. You can convert your time with and help of Google or any application here. So you after getting of permission, you have to enable USB debugging feature from developer options. So simply open developer option here and enable USB debugging. Wait here 10 seconds and tap on OK. After that, you have to open here Me unlock section and you have tap on add account and device. If you get permission here like this type of successfully added here, so you can unlock bootloader here. And if you get here some error, then you have to apply from Xiaomi community application on 12 AM according to China time. You can convert by the help of Google here. And after getting all this permission, simply power off your phone. First, make sure you have to take a proper backup of your phone. After unlocking of bootloader, your entire data will formatted here. After backup of all these things, you have to power off and then you have to boot your device in fast boot mode. For fast boot mode, you have to press and hold your power plus volume down button for 5 to 10 seconds. After that, you require one data cable here, C2C type data cable or A to C type data cable. If you are having C2C type data cable, then you have to first connect in your host phone, then you have to connect with in your targeted phone. If you connect by the help of OTG adapter, then you have to connect OTG side on host phone and charging side in your targeted phone here. After connecting this type of pop-up appear here, so simply you have to tap on OK and it will show this type of option, please enter to unlock. So simply you have to tap on enter, then it will take around 5 to 10 seconds. After that, you can notice here this type of timer show, or in some case it will directly unlock here. So in my case it will so like please unlock after 64 hours. So we have to try after the given time. So after we will meet here 65 hours. Okay, after that you can unlock your device here. So simply press and hold your power button for 10 seconds here, maximum to maximum. After that, your device will automatically boot your system without formatting your data. But after if you try after 65 hours or 72 hours, then your entire data will formatted from your targeted phone here. So meet after 64 hours. So you can notice here I have successfully completed here 65 hours of waiting time here. After that, power off your phone. First take a proper backup if you haven't take a proper backup yet here. So first take a proper backup. After that, power off your phone. Then press and hold your power plus volume down button for 5 to 10 seconds. After that, your data device will show like this type of fast boot mode here. So after that, move on your host phone here. You can notice here you have to proceed all this command again in your host phone here. So I already proceed all this command. Then you have to connect both phone by the help of data cable or OTG adapter. So simply I have already connect and this type of pop-up appear here. So simply you have to tap on OK, and after 5 to 10 seconds, you can notice here press enter to unlock bootloader here. So simply you have to press enter button here and it will take again 20 seconds here, and after that you can notice here unlock bootloader. Bootloader unlocked successful. This type of option appear on your host phone here. So you can notice here unlock successful. It means our device successfully unlocked here, and you can notice here unlock symbol on the boot screen on my targeted phone here. After that, your data will automatic formatted here, and you can disconnect both phone you can disconnect data cable here. After that, your device will automatic boot in main system here, and you have to simply quick set up your device. And if you want to install custom ROM, then you can directly boot in your device in fast boot mode. If you want to depth tutorial on this process here, like installation of custom recovery, installation of custom ROM, installation of any port ROM here, and routing of your phone, then I will provide all video link in description. If you want to watch any one of them, then you can watch and apply this process here. After that, quick set up your device and you can enjoy your device here. If you want to know your device is unlocked or not, simply enable developer option here, and you can notice here OEM is already unlocked here. If you tap on me unlock section, then you can notice your device is unlocked. Thanks for watching. That's all about today's video. We will meet soon.